My name is Earl. There you go, Earl. All right, we're gonna wait for a few to get on here, and then we'll bust it for them. That was a great 3-box break.
All gonna go today. 2 left.
That's
Yeah,
the
there's
Brady
only 2
right
left.
there.
I'm about to
Nothing
message
but
you.
heat coming out of Grand Slam today.
If we pull a Brady, there's only one helmet I don't want to pull. There's just
Okay,
one.
The capper.
Or hey, the Marshawn Lynch should be
Yeah,
in there.
I still would rather my customer get a Lynch than
Yeah.
a Kaepernick. All right, guys. Earl said he was out in the fields working, so he'd go ahead and we break it, and he'll check it out later. He's a tobacco farmer.
He's got the nut black.
Good luck, Earl. I know. Here we go, Earl. Only 2 left, guys. I was going to tell y'all that as soon as I looked, he had charged me again for another case of card. You know, I was saying he charges me all the time. It was Valiant. I wish he would tell you the team or whatever.
I already know.
Do you really?
Yep.
Bad? Oh, let's just do it then.
Not bad.
Earl Campbell. That's not bad at all. Dude, we've had 2 cool helmets now. Earl Campbell. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's the alternate, dude. Dude, check this. Dude. Golly.
Retro.
It's JSA authenticated too, dude. Hall of Fame inscription.
Yep.
Look at that, dude. Check out this helmet.
Sweet.
Earl for Earl.
Yeah. Yeah.
Earl done hit a Earl. This helmet is sick, dude. Check out how it's tagged too. JSA. This helmet, dude. This is pretty sick. Another one too. I know. The autos. Perfect.
The Hall of Fame's a little off.
Yeah, he just didn't. He can. Yeah, I mean
In
it's.
the middle of signing it,
No, that's just the apostrophe. I
it
don't know.
looks like he was going for hop.
No, that's the apostrophe. He put an
Program.
apostrophe
Oh, I
for
see.
some
Okay.
reason.
That's funny.
What's that?
It says the Witness Protection Program.
Yeah, he's part of the Witness Protection Program. We only have 2 helmets left. When Earl gets back in the tobacco fields, he can be happy.
Yeah.
All right, come see me. We got quite a bit of stuff, guys.
Throwback helmet.
Yep. I mean, just a minute ago, we hit some nasty stuff. God, Trubinsky, Schuster, Josh Reynolds, Dobbs, Davis Webb. These are the. Hey, what's up, man?
Let's go, guys.
Taiwan, Trubinsky, and then this freaking monster. I'll get all this set up for you. See ya.